Hello, I am Dr. Rachita Manjal, working as consultant at Birla Fertility and IVF Gurgaon. After completing my MD in OBS and Gynecology in 2012, I got my training from Germany, Chennai and UK in reproductive medicine, IVF and endoscopy. So before we begin with the topic, I would like to introduce you to Birla Fertility and IVF. At Birla Fertility and IVF, we strive hard to provide compassionate and clinically reliable care to all the couples who are coming to us at very attractive prices. We have an experience of 21,000 plus IVF cycles, and we are specialized in tailor-made protocols to deliver a high success rate to all the couples who are coming with us for the infertility treatment. So now let's start today's topic of discussion, IUI treatment for pregnancy. Nowadays we face so many couples daily who are facing difficulty to conceive. An IUI or intrauterine insemination is a simple fertility treatment which can help couples to conceive. The procedure itself involves when the male partner's semen is concentrated in the lab and inserted into the uterus directly with the help of a catheter. IUI or intrauterine insemination is a simple, non-invasive procedure and comparatively very less expensive procedure than other fertility treatments like IVF. IUI can be coordinated with your normal spontaneous cycle, or it can be coordinated with the ovulation induction, in which your ovaries are stimulated using some medications or injections to produce eggs. An IUI can be done either by your male partner's semen sample, or in some indications when the husband or male partner suffers from azoospermia, then donor sample can be used. Now let's talk about IUI हमें किन couples में हम कर सकते हैं या किन couples में IUI treatment is recommended. So firstly, in cases of unexplained infertility, IUI is recommended as the first treatment of choice when there is no reason for infertility. Then in mild endometriosis related infertility, again IUI हम कर सकते हैं as first treatment of choice. Thirdly, when the male partner's semen sample shows some low sperm count, या फिर कोई motility issues हैं या morphology issues, or if there are erection or ejaculation problems with the male partner, any sort of mild male factor infertility, IUI is the best treatment of choice in such couples. Because इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, semen sample is concentrated and the highly motile sperms are separated from the immotile sperms, and other cells of the semen are separated from the motile sperms, and those motile sperms in concentrated form are injected into the uterus. Then comes the ovulation disorders. In case you face with any ovulation disorders like PCOS or any other ovulatory disorder, then your ovaries can be stimulated using some medications or injections, and IUI can be done as per the ovulation time. Then if there are any issues with the cervical factor, in IUI procedure the cervix is bypassed, because in IUI हम semen sample directly transfer कर देते हैं into the uterus, so the cervix is bypassed. So if there are any issues with the cervix or cervical mucus, then also IUI is the best treatment of choice. But IUI cannot be done अगर आपके tubes block है, fallopian tubes blockage है, या फिर any other major disease or infection in the fallopian tube is there, then in those cases IUI cannot be done. अगर fallopian tube blockage है, then other treatments has to be recommended like IVF in cases of blocked tubes. Now let's talk about how the IUI or intrauterine insemination procedure is done. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, IUI हमारा नॉर्मल स्पॉन्टेनियस साइकिल में भी किया जा सकता है, और योर ओवरीज कैन बी स्टिमुलेटेड यूजिंग सम ड्रग्स और इंजेक्शंस इन केस ऑफ IUI cycle. So from the start of your menstrual cycle, you will be called to the clinic and a routine transvaginal scan will be done, या तो day 2 पे या day 3 पे, and your uterus and ovaries will be checked. If there is no pathology, you will be started with the IUI cycle. उसके बाद जो routine follicular monitoring scans will be done and your egg follicular size will be monitored depending on how the follicular growth is there in the ovary. And once the follicle reaches 18 millimeter in size, that is adequate size, you might be given a trigger injection, HCG trigger, for the ovulation to happen. And आपके ovulation के time के according IUI treatment will be planned. So on the day of IUI, your male partner will be asked to give semen sample. Semen sample को हम lab में process करेंगे by the centrifugation, and there are different sperm preparation techniques, so that highly motile sperms are separated from the immotile sperms and other cells in the semen. So ये जो concentrated semen with highly motile sperms is the prepared sample. So during the procedure, it's a very simple procedure. You don't require any painkillers or any medications for the procedure. So with the help of catheter, the semen sample which is prepared in the lab is inserted directly into the uterus on the day of ovulation. So this facilitates the fertilization of the egg. After the procedure, you will be asked to lie down for 15 to 20 minutes. Although procedure का जो total time will take only 2 to 3 minutes. But your total visit to the clinic will be around half an hour on the day of IUI procedure. So after the procedure, after the rest period, you can go home and continue with your routine day-to-day activities. Only thing is कि आपको थोड़ा spotting हो सकता है, vaginal थोड़ा सा bleeding हो सकता है just on the day of procedure or maybe one day after the procedure. But there are no other major risks involved with the IUI procedure. So after the IUI, आपको 2 weeks के लिए wait करना होगा before you do the pregnancy test. Meanwhile, you will be prescribed some medications during these 2 weeks जो आपको लेने होंगे, and after 2 weeks जब आप pregnancy test करेंगे, then you will come to know about the result. Generally, success rates of IUI are around 15% all over the world. If IUI procedure does not work for you, before we move on to the another step like in IVF, you can wait. In fact, we can even try for 3 to 6 cycles of IUI before we move on to the next step. So this was all about intrauterine insemination, and I hope you found this video informative and you will benefit from this video. In case you have any queries, any doubts related to this, you can post in the comment section, or you can visit our website or contact us anytime. We will be very glad to help you at Birla Fertility and IVF. Thank you so much for sparing your time.